In this video, I will show you how to create Upwork accounts. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to upwork.com. From here, if you look towards the top right hand corner, you're going to see a green sign up button. So what you need to do is give that a click, and that's going to take you to a page like this. Now at this point you can enter your work email, so you just want to enter the email that you want to sign up with, and once you've done that, go ahead and click the green continue button. Then what you can do is go ahead and create a password. After doing that, make sure to tick the box to understand and agree to the Upwork terms of service, including the user agreement and privacy policy. I've already read through this, but of course you can click any of those links if you want to read through, and then what you want to do is come and click the green sign up button. Next, what you need to do is choose whether you are a client or whether you are a freelancer. So basically, if you need help with a project, you would select client, or if you want to do work and get paid, you would select freelancer. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to click on to freelancer, and what you would then do is set up your profile. So you just need to go ahead and enter your name and choose your country from the list here, and then click continue. Once you've done that, as you can see, you should get a confirmation saying your account's been created, and then what it's going to do is redirect you to this page where basically you're going to have to verify your email to continue. So what you would do is, of course, go to your inbox to verify your email. And once you've done that, as you can see, it says congratulations, your account is verified. All you need to do is go through and finish building your profile. So as you can see, it says answer a few questions to start building your profile, apply for open roles or list services for clients to buy, and get paid safely, no we're there to help. So it takes about 5 to 10 minutes roughly, and you can edit it later, but of course they do save your progress as you go through this setup process. So you just want to go through basically and select this. You don't have to do this, you can come down as well and click skip for now at the bottom, but if you want to answer any of these questions, then what you would do is select an option and click on to next. But if you don't want to do this, of course, just click on to skip for now. So all you need to do is pretty much go through the rest of the steps now. It's going to take you through it step by step to create your profile. And once that's done, your account will be successfully created, ready to go on Upwork. So that is how to create Upwork accounts. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.